We are joined in the kitchen with Chef John from the Cutting Edge Cooking School, and he has a guest named Gracie, and they are going to show us how to make Chef John's best fluffy pancakes. What?
Yes, they are the best.
That's what I asked you earlier. I said, what makes these pancakes so special? And you said they're so fluffy.
Yeah, they're fluffy. We just put a lot of love into them, and
Gracie,
a good recipe.
What's your favorite way to make pancakes? Do you put toppings on them and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, that's awesome. I asked her earlier what her favorite thing to make was
Macaroons.
macaroons.
All the kids love macaroons.
Way over my head.
Yeah, but Gracie just finished our Master Chef Junior program, so she took 2 semesters of cooking classes at our school, and she just graduated. We're really proud of her.
Oh my gosh.
She's great.
That's awesome. Gracie, do you want to go into a field of cooking someday?
Yes.
Yeah? Sweet. Well, you got a good mentor.
She's going to be a chef. All right, so we're going to show you how to make the batter here. So Gracie's going to start by adding some salt, and we're mixing all the dry ingredients and then sugar.
Perfect. And just to let you know at home, we have all these measurements on our website.
Yes. Baking powder.
Awesome. You know what's funny? I make all of my
Baking
pancakes
soda.
out of a pre-bought box.
Well, you know, you could do that.
This is probably way
And
better.
not everybody has time, so what we're going to do is just make a little well in the middle, and then I'm going to help Gracie by adding an egg, and she's going to stir.
Okay.
So you go ahead. Then we've got melted butter that was melted.
Yep. Perfect.
All right, some milk.
And what kind of milk is that?
Just, it could be whole milk, skim milk if you're watching your fat. Could be any kind of cream you want, and this is vanilla.
Okay.
And then she's just going to whisk that up. While Gracie's doing that, I'm going to get some pancakes started.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So I have a hot grill here. This is the same batter. We just made it a little earlier.
I love this thing too. That's so cool.
And this is a 1.5 ounce scoop, or a 1.5 ounce ladle, and that makes a good sized pancake.
Awesome.
2 ounces, a little bigger. You can go 4 if you want these huge ones that you usually get when you go out to eat. But I like them a little bit smaller.
So Gracie, what's your favorite part about cooking?
Probably
The eating?
yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite part.
The eating part. So you want to come over here and flip the pancakes?
Okay, let's
do it. You go
do
ahead, I'll finish.
How do you know when it's the right time to flip?
Ah, there's the question.
When the edges start to kind of bubble,
Okay.
and then you can check and see
Ah.
by kind of lifting it up.
Perfect. Okay. When they start to bubble, you check and see when they're lifting up. And we got about 15 seconds left. I want to show you the final product. You drizzle that with some syrup. Yum. Oh, and she's getting ready to flip.
There it is.
There we go.
Oh, they could go a little longer maybe, but go ahead. Show them your flipping skills.
There. Oh,
Hey,
that was
good enough.
perfect. Anyone else hungry? They look pretty darn good. Again, we're going to have that recipe over on our website. There's a look at all those classes that are starting at the Cutting Edge Classroom. John, y'all are amazing. Chef John, Gracie, thank you guys so much.
Thanks.